Alright, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to check if your new iPhone is original. The few steps you can take to check if this one is that go to settings and go for general. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to check on software update. So if you're seeing some updated version, that's going to be a good sign that your iPhone is original because third-party applications or third-party iPhones won't have Apple updates. Next up, I want you to go to About section and look for serial number. Just make sure this is perfectly copied right there. Let me just type in here, click on copy. Next up, open my Safari, look for the one that says Apple serial lookup. This one right here. So it's just gonna check our device number or serial number. So I'm gonna paste it right there. Click on submit. And I think there should be a captcha here. Perfect right there. So as you can see, this is iPhone XR. That means this is correct. My coverage is expired for paid repairs and services and chat support. Anyway, for that being said, it's gonna be real because my phone right now is iPhone XR. It will be different if your phone is iPhone XR or claimed to be iPhone XR, and in here it shows iPhone 7 or 8. That's gonna be a whole different problem. Next up for this one, let's start with this refurbished iPhone model. Now, supposedly this one, for refurbished iPhone, it starts with the letter P, if I'm not mistaken. And then if it's gonna be a different one, for example, it's gonna be letter N or C, that means it can be original. Alright? So as you can see right here, let me just open my settings. This is gonna be letter G. That means this is refurbished. So refurbished iPhone is not technically fake. They're gonna be used for manufacturing services. On right there, it says letter P in the first letter. Your iPhone is brand new and original. Alright? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.